In this video of MS Word course, I'm going to teach you how to change font, how to change font size, how to design your font in MS Word, right? Because if you want to effectively create your text document, if you want to effectively design your resume, you have to know that how to change font size, how to change font style, how to design your font, right? And that's what I'm going to teach you in this particular video. So let's directly get into our MS Word tool without any further ado. So guys, as you can see right now, I do have some demo text in my sheet over here. Right now I'm gonna apply the different font styles, font designings, and how to increase size, how to decrease, how to change the font style. I'm gonna tell you everything, right? So I'm gonna use this font option basically in the home tab. In home tab, after the clipboard option, you'll be able to see this font options. Right here we get options related to fonts, right? So this is the option basically for font styling. We have these options, basically the font styles we have available in MS Word tool. Then this is for font size. Then this is pre-made, or you can say you can increase the font size by 1 point using these options. Either you can increase, either you can decrease, right? Then this option is for to change the case of your font. You can go with sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. So this option is basically for to change the case, right? Then we have this option. This is to change, basically to clear all the formatting. Formatting is nothing, just what are the designing or what are the additional cosmetic changes you are doing with your text, that is known as formatting, right? Then we have this bold. If you want to bold your text, then you have to use this option. This is for italic, this is for underline, right? And if you click on this drop down menu, you will be able to see different kind of underline options, right? Then this option is basically for strike through. If you want to cut any text, let's say I have selected this option, and if you click on strike through option, this type of line will appeared on that particular text, right? Then we have this subscript and superscript option. This is basically for maths, right? Let's say if I want to apply 2, right, and I want to add 2 square. So to make it superscript, I just have to select it and select this superscript option, and this kind of 2 square word has been appeared, right? And same goes with, let's say you want to make it in subscript as well. For that, let's say I'm writing 3 2 and I want to add 3 superscript. So select this and select the superscript option like this, right? Now we have some designing options as well. Designing is basically to change the color, to change the uh, background color of the font basically, or to change the design, basically the appearance of your font, right? We got different types of font styles over here, right? Here we do have stylic sets, then ligatures, then number styles, glowing fonts, then reflection, shadow, outline. Tons of options are over here, right? So let's start with the font styling. Basically to let's say you want to apply any other different kind of font style to this text. So you just have to select the text like this, which I have already taught you in the previous videos. And once you select the text, you'll be already able to see this dialog box. This is basically the quick toolbar. You just have to select the option and the quick toolbar will appear in front of you. Otherwise, if you don't want to use this, you can go here, right? You just have to click on this drop down menu and you will be able to select any font you want. You just have to hover your cursor on the font, and the font, basically the text will change accordingly, as you can see here, right? And whatever the font you want, you just have to select. Let's select this one, right? So I'll be clicking on this. I've just left click on this and the font has been changed, right? Now let's say I want to decrease or increase the size of this font, right? So for that, again select the font, or I just want to increase the size of this much font. So I'll be selecting this much. Either I can use this quick toolbar, otherwise I can go here. Now here we do have 8 to 72 option. As you can see here, you just have to hover your cursor and the size will change accordingly, right? As you can see here. Now let's say I'm choosing 22, right? Now already the text are selected now, and as I've already told you, if you want to increase or decrease the size by 1 point, then you can use these options, right? Let's say if I click here, as you can see here, basically one, not one, 2 points are decreasing in one go, in one click, right? As you can see here, 10, then 9, 8. Now here it is decreasing by 1 point, right? Then if I click on increase size, like this, right? So that's how this option works. Then this is the option for change case. Let's say I want to make this whole sentence in uppercase, so you have to click on this and the text will be changed into uppercase, right? Now let's say, now as you can see, this search engine optimization text is already in uppercase. Right now let's change the case of this font. Let's say I want to make this lowercase, so just click on this lowercase and it will be changed into lowercase. It's that simple, right? Now we do have this formatting, clear all formatting option. So you just have to select the text wherever you want to clear the formatting, right? Let's say I have selected this, and here we have applied uh, different kind of font, then the sizes, right? So we have applied different kind of cosmetic changes here, right? That basically that is known as formatting. Now I want to clear all the changes, formatting basically. So just click on this and all the formatting, or basically all the formatting change, cosmetic changes are cleared now. This is just simple text in Calibri form, basically Calibri text form, right? Now we do have these options. This is basically for text. Let's say you want to make your text bold, right? Let's say I want to make this search engine optimization word, I want to bold this word. So you just have to select the word and you'll be able to see that quick access toolbar. Otherwise you can come here and click here, right? It is now bold. You want to make it italic as well, just click on italic option, and you want to add underline as well, then add this underline option as well, right? We don't want to strike through it, so it will be looking like this. Now let's say you want to change the color of this. So for that you have to come here. This is the text color, this is the background color. So if you click on directly on this, the red color will be applied because here it is showing red. Otherwise you can click on this menu bar, drop down menu, and here you'll be able to find tons of options, tons of color options, coloring options, right? Let's say I want to apply blue color over here, right? So blue color is done. Now I want to apply background color in this text as well. So what should be the background color? Let's add yellow because it is already set. So yellow background color is applied now. Now let's say I don't want to apply yellow, so I'll be clicking on this drop down menu, and here we do have the color options. Let's apply green, right? So this is how your text will be looking like after adding some designing or after adding some cosmetic changes, right? Now I left this option. This is basically to change the design of your text. Let's say I select this one, and if I click here, you'll be able to see different designing styles. As you can see here, these are some exotic designs which you can't create manually, right? You can select these options. This is to out change the outline color, right? As you can see here, the inside color is uh, different and the outline color is different. Then we have this shadow option. In shadow option you can apply the shadow, different kind of shadow you can apply. As you can see here, I'm just hovering my cursor over here and the effect has been applying accordingly, as you can see here, right? So that's how you can use this option. Then we have glow. This will basically add a glowing effect into your text. The basically if you go like this, then it will change the intensity, right? Then we have number stylings, styling for numbers. Then we have ligatures, right? Then we have stylistic set, right? So I hope you understood the things which I have told you, basically which I have taught you in this particular video, how you can change the font size, font style, case, everything I have taught in this particular video, right? So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe and like button. If you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.